Turmeric becomes toxic if you do these 5 things. Are you a turmeric enthusiast? Hold on. While this golden spice boasts incredible health benefits, misuse can turn it toxic. Let's uncover the 5 critical mistakes you need to avoid. Number 1. Turmeric supplements are potent, containing concentrated curcumin. Exceeding the recommended dosage can lead to nausea, diarrhea, and even liver problems. Always follow the instructions on the label and consult your doctor. Remember, more isn't always better. Your body can only process so much curcumin at once. Excessive intake can overwhelm your system and cause adverse effects. Number 2. Turmeric can interact with certain medications, such as blood thinners and diabetes drugs. This can either amplify or diminish the effects of these medications. It's crucial to discuss turmeric use with your healthcare provider. Don't assume turmeric is safe just because it's natural. Natural remedies can still have powerful effects on your body and interact with other substances. Number 3. Not all turmeric is created equal. Some products may be contaminated with heavy metals or other harmful substances. Always choose reputable brands that conduct third-party testing. Look for certifications and lab reports that verify the purity and potency of the turmeric. Cheap, unverified products can do more harm than good. Number 4. While turmeric is generally safe with food, certain combinations can be problematic. For example, consuming large amounts of turmeric with iron-rich foods can hinder iron absorption. Be mindful of your overall diet. Consider the bioavailability of nutrients when combining foods. Some combinations can enhance absorption, while others can inhibit it. Finally, number 5. If you have pre-existing liver or gallbladder issues, turmeric may exacerbate these conditions. Consult your doctor before using turmeric, especially in supplement form. Your health history matters. Turmeric can stimulate bile production, which may be problematic for individuals with gallbladder issues. Always prioritize your health and seek professional advice. Turmeric is a powerful spice with numerous health benefits, but it's essential to use it responsibly. Avoid these 5 mistakes to ensure you're reaping the rewards without risking your health. Now that you're armed with this knowledge, take action. Share this video with your friends and family to spread awareness. Subscribe to our channel for more health tips and leave a comment below sharing your experiences with turmeric. Finally, consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian before making any significant changes to your diet or supplement routine. Thanks for watching.